Hello friend, welcome to JoyTech. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to deactivate your TikTok account. So before we get started, if still you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming video notifications. Now let's start today's topic. Firstly, open your TikTok account. Now tap at your profile. Now tap at three horizontal lines at the top. Now tap at settings and privacy. Now page my screen, you can see tap at the very first option, account, and down the bottom you can see option deactivate or delete account. Simply tap at here. Now page my screen, you can see two options, deactivate account or delete account permanently. Simply select at deactivate account. Now page my screen, read the instructions and deactivated your account. Like this you can easily deactivate your TikTok account. I hope you like this. If you do like so, please like it and share it. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos notifications. And if you have any question related this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.